people. Right now, I'm going to review the movie Swades, which was, uh, apparently it was one of the only Indian movies to have ever been shot at NASA. So that in itself is special. And um, the movie had Gayatri Joshi as the female lead, and if you notice, many of these actresses, be it Bhagyashri, Gayatri Joshi, Sachitra Krishnamurthy, I mean, they, it's like they are like the shooting star who they are in one movie and then they vanish, but that one movie does really well. So, Shah Rukh Khan, as always, I mean, Shah Rukh Khan, Ashutosh Gowarikar, that combination is really special, and the music by A.R. Rahman. So I would give this movie a 4-star rating, but because if you take entertainment into view, which this film was more like a very nice socio documentary, so yeah, if I'm to be really honest, 3 stars. But it's it should have been the official entry at the Oscar, official Indian entry at the Oscars, because it was a special film. So do watch it if you can, people. And thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe.